guys seen the videos for elephant toothpaste? No. Not that kind of elephant toothpaste. Okay, that was the image I was looking for. There's also a guy on YouTube, a famous YouTuber, maybe some of you have seen it, where he does elephant toothpaste in his backyard, and it's just like covers his whole yard. I don't recommend that. He's an expert, we are not. So I'm gonna break this down for you. What we're gonna use is hydrogen peroxide and yeast. We're also gonna have a little bit of Dawn dish soap and food coloring, because food coloring makes everything in science more fun because it's more colorful. Now, how this works is that hydrogen peroxide breaks down into oxygen, O2, and water, H2O. Normally, this happens very slowly. And really, when you pour it into a glass, nothing happens. And that's boring. So what we're going to do is we're going to add yeast to this, which is going to make it happen much faster. Okay, ready? Well, that was kind of boring. So what's happening is the yeast is breaking down the hydrogen peroxide at a quicker rate. It's just the reaction in it. The yeast has a special chemical called catalase in it, and it just makes the hydrogen peroxide break down that much faster. But still not super exciting. Our next step is to get our yeast ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do about 3 tablespoons or so of warm water and 1 tablespoon of yeast. And we're gonna give it a solid 30 seconds of stirring to really get it mixed in there and get the yeast activated, because we want it to be nice and ready.
That's what yeast looks like?
This is what yeast looks like. Okay. This is what we use in bread to make the bread rise. Okay, now give your yeast a good stir for 30 seconds.
Looks like coffee.
All right, as we finish stirring here, one thing that we've noticed is that on one of these we have this extra clump of yeast.
But
that's okay.
Dissolved.
Yeah, hers dissolved, and this one this one didn't dissolve all the way. That's okay. It doesn't matter. So one thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get all set up here. By adding the dish soap to the hydrogen peroxide, it adds a little bit to surface tension to the peroxide. So then that makes it trap more bubbles. So then that's how we get our big elephant toothpaste.
Ew.
So we're gonna fill
But
up these
elephants don't
bottles.
actually use this to brush their teeth.
True. Do not use this on real life elephants.
Or don't even try it yourself.
Yeah, let's not try it ourselves. So we're gonna, oops, careful, can you get off my leg?
I know.
About to spill there. Okay, we're gonna fill these up. This is gonna be fun. All right, girls, what colors are you gonna do?
These two. Can
Okay.
What did I put it
Drip your colors in there.
in? I'm red and blue.
You're
Wait,
red.
what in yellow?
Yeah, red and yellow.
Equals orange.
Red and yellow make orange.
Wait, how many drops do we put?
Okay.
I'm putting 4.
4 drops will be good.
1, 2. Ew, it stinks. 4.
Okay, and give the red to sister.
Here, Beth.
Okay.
What colors are you doing, Mom?
Then we're gonna add our soap to add that extra little bit of surface tension so that we get that buildup that we're looking for. Okay. Ooh, that looks really cool.
Oh, Beth.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do now. I want you to gently, hey, stop. I want you to gently give it a little bit of a swish. Don't swish it so much that your soap makes pre-bubbles, okay?
Wait, I need to get more on this.
Oh, like that, Mom? Okay. All right, we've got this all ready. So, everybody, goggles on. Goggles on for safety. I don't have an extra pair of goggles, so I'm going to use my sunglasses. All right, let's get these. All right, guys, ready, Bethany? Get your yeast.
Do we put it up here?
And on the count of 3, it's just warm. On the count of 3, pour. 1, 2, 3, go. All of it. There's our elephant toothpaste. Oh my gosh, it's growing. It's growing.
Oh, mine turned out
My
to be
shirt.
pink.
It turned out pink. Oh my goodness.
Karen, yours turned out white. I know.
This is
And Mom-
taking over.
Oh my
My tray.
gosh.
So make sure you do this in a safe place. Okay?
And it looks like a snowman.
It does look like a snowman. Look at, nope. This one's still coming.
So
That one's still coming. I would say that one was a success. That was fun.